What's good, YouTube, man? This your boy Life of Jay, and I'm back with another video, man. Hey, before we get into the video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Without further ado, let's get it. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. And boy, do I got a special treat for y'all. Now, I know y'all remember last video how I said I had some shoes coming in. Well, just look at it. Just look at the box, man. Hold on. Just look at the box. Ooh, size 10.5 too. You know what I'm saying? Just my size. I don't know why I got a 10.5, because 10.5 is my size. I initially bought these shoes to resell, but now I'm thinking to myself, like, as soon as I brought them out the box, I was like, Jay, do you really want to resell these shoes? So now I'm having a hard time contemplating with myself if I want to resell them or if I want to keep them. Now, remember in my other video, I talked to y'all about the importance when it comes to shoe reselling. You never want to purchase shoes in your own size because you're going to want to keep them. You going to want to keep them, man. So I effed up. I effed up, man. I'm trying to slack up on my cursing, but I effed up. I bought these shoes in my size. I saw them. I liked them. Initially, when I saw the shoe, I mean, of course, I was browsing through shoes to see like what type of shoe I was gonna pick to resell and stuff like that. But when I saw the shoe, I intended on reselling them, but I knew in the back of my mind that I was gonna want to keep them for myself. So now I'm having that dilemma, like, dang, do I want to resell them or do I want to keep them? Now, they dead stock, never been worn, except for when I got them. I did try them on my feet, I ain't gonna lie, to make sure that they fit. That's how you know I really don't want to resell them, man. I took them out, took the paper out, untied them, loosened them up, slid them on the feet, man, and yeah, started walking around in them just a little. It was just in my kitchen, so I ain't dirty them up or crease them up or nothing like that. But we're gonna go ahead and just get into this new pickup that I had got. Man, I just love opening up a new pair of shoes. Look, y'all wanna see? We're gonna do this together. We're gonna lift the paper back together. So on the count of 3, let's lift this paper back. 1, 2, 3. I forgot uno, but oh well. Here we go. Ooh. Man, these mugs are clean, man. Y'all know how excited I get when I get a new pair of shoes coming in, but I'm not gonna lie, these I was really excited for. And yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna bring them out the box and then I'm gonna give y'all the up close view at them.
Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mama no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it to the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, don't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard. Ready to slide, you will get slipped. Hey, we ain't got ties, we ain't gon' ride. You ain't my slime, you ain't my slime. You ain't gonna go on my prime. Hey. So I think I ain't telling you lies. When you call the business on handling mine. Yeah, I'm keep face part of my time. Hey, here's like Gucci my pants. She's so
man, I really love these shoes, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I like these more than the white Sport Royals that they had. But you know, the white, it wasn't suede. It's all leather. And the leather is white, and then you know you got your little blue outline trims. But man, just look at this shoe, man. It's a beautiful, gorgeous shoe. And honestly, I really ain't even care too much for 18s. But when these had dropped, I ain't gonna lie, I instantly fell in love with these. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even like 18s, man. I didn't even like them. But I love these shoes, like, I really do. Like, I ain't even like this part of the 18s, but shoot, somehow, man, as I got older, You know, I'm talking about when I was younger too. I really ain't like 18s. But when I had got older, I guess I like came to my senses and was like, man, these things clean. You know what I'm saying? I like the carbon fiber details on the back, man. Look at the carbon fiber details. The details of this shoe is just insane, man. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Then you got your blue trim. Icy, man. This shoe is just so icy. You know what I'm saying? Got that new smell. Smell the shoe. Smell the shoe. He got that new shoe smell. It smell. Smell that shoe. Got that new shoe smell, man. It smells good. You know what I'm saying? Clean bottom. Like I said, these are dead stock, never worn, man. Clean bottom. Nothing dirty about this shoe. Everything is crispy clean. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Should I resell them or should I keep them for myself? I know I messed up. I apologize to y'all. I didn't take my own advice, man. I copped some shoes that was my size. I put too much of my own feelings into it. You have to separate business and personal. And when I got this shoe, this was all a personal decision, man. It was all a personal decision. You're not supposed to get high off your own supply, man. We all know this. We all know this. We not supposed to get high off our own supply, but I did. Shoot, I overdosed on my own supply, man. You know what I'm saying? But nah, this was just a one-time thing where I had bought a shoe and I just really fell in love with it. But I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. Should I keep them? I'm gonna do what y'all say. Should I keep them or should I resell them? Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. But anyways, that'll pretty much do it for the video. I just wanted to show y'all a quick little cop that I got. I'm still torn in between the two, whether or not I'ma you know, let these go or if I'ma keep them. I might wear them for a little bit, and then when I get tired of them, I might resell them. But you know, when you have a shoe and it's been worn or used, it's gonna go down on the price of the shoe. That's the only thing about that. As if I was to sell these now, I can get a good little profit from it. But if I was to wear them, you know what I'm saying, it could have a possibility of getting damaged or little stains or even creased up in the toe, you know. But I don't know, man. I don't know, but these babies are clean. Jordan 18 Black Sport Royals, man. They clean. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have a couple of more videos dropping. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to up the volume of me dropping videos. Graduation day is coming up, man. Boys about to graduate. My last day of classes is November 26th. I graduate December 13th or the 12th, one of them. So after I graduate, man, it's gonna be straight you guys all the time, man. You guys come first. You guys come first now, but you know, still gotta get that schoolwork done. But anyways, man, it's your boy Life of Jay. Thank you guys for staying and watching the full video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Without further ado, man, it's your boy. I'm out. Peace.